Welcome. In this video, I will show you tips of how to select similar or quick select in AutoCAD. I'm assuming that you know the basics. For example, if you need to select using entirely covered, so you just need to pick from left to right and drag it. So it will pick anything that is entirely covered. Okay. It will pick anything that is entirely covered. So you can see this one was not entirely covered because it is spanning all this way. So it was not picked. But let me click escape. If you pick from right to left, it will pick anything that you touch. Okay, it will pick anything that you touch. You can see now this line, because it has been touched, although it was not entirely covered, it has been picked. So this is not the focus of this video. Let's say you want to select a similar object. Maybe let me pick this one, right click and then select all similar. So you can see all similar objects have been selected in this drawing. The problem comes if you want to select perhaps you want to create, for example, for me, I want to create a foundation layout. So I need to pick only the columns in this cross section. And if I click select similar, of course it will pick everything. Then if I will drag everything that I don't want. So I will have to waste a lot of time to edit. So I just want to pick this column and maybe this field in this beam layout. How do I do that? The first thing, you just need to select everything here. So this one, I will show you the quick select command in AutoCAD. Then right click. You can see this option, quick select. Then I want to select by you can select by layer, line type. You can select by color. You can select by transparency, by plot style. Let's say we select line type, all layer. Okay, so the layer I want to pick is cross section. Just click OK. You can see only my columns have been selected. Let's say I want to select this column by color. Again, I will select everything here. Right click, go to quick select. Then pick color. Then my layer is by block. Then OK. Again, my column have been selected. Let's say I want to select by color anything that is this color, yellow. That means I can just select everything. Right click, quick select, by color, then pick yellow. Anything that is yellow, including text, will be selected. Now, if, for example, I copy, drag anything that is that color has been selected. Okay. You can also select by line type. So I will not need to go to this mode because you can select hidden. Only my grids should be selected. My grids have been selected, but my grids are hidden line. So that's how you do quick selection in AutoCAD, or select similar objects in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.